Do the other side, right here. You're going to have to do it with the other hand. You're going to have to hold it with this hand. Hold it with this hand. Hold it with that hand. And then hold this side with this hand. See? Like that. Babes, it's backwards, so you're going to have to learn to do it the other way. Hold it there. Hold that. Hold that with that hand. There. Now do it. You're close. Very close. It's different. It's backwards. You have to do it. It's okay. Don't get frustrated. Don't get mad. Here, look. Hold it there. Okay? Now hold this one in that hand. There. Now, put that piece in there. You almost got it. There, 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 there. Now push. Push it in. Push it in. There! You got it! You're all buckled in by yourself. You did it.